my goodness. There's a bunch of crocodiles and a big bear right there. Stop touching me. This bear right here has long nappy hair, if you can see. Smell it. It smells like what crack.
Shut up, you monkey.
And these are all crocodiles. They're getting ready to jump in. You can mistake them for small ones, but they're crocodiles. They're getting ready to jump in. This crocodile. Well, this is another bear, actually. Bear, say hello to the camera. No, not that. Hi. Say hi. And this right here is the blue crocodile. This is a blood crocodile. This is a crip crocodile. And they're going to race for life.
Dad! Daddy! Can I get a picture?
Right, you want to see the Sasquatch? You look right here. There's a Sasquatch right there. He's going to kill you back up. Oh my gosh. Come here, girl. Say something to the camera before we all die.
Yeah, I'm melting.
Follow me, we're going to look at the duck. Little baby duck over here, mama duck. Mama duck. Right there. And this is the baby duck. Her name is Chloe. What are you looking at, ducky? And those right there are the polar bears. Stay away. They get angry at everything. They sweat all the ice.